Friends, welcome to the Wonder Trail USA YouTube channel. Friends, today I will show you 3 very simple yoga exercises that, if you do them for just 1 minute a day, will start reducing your back pain. Friends, first, you have to stay for a while with your hands and knees on the floor. While inhaling, lower your waist. While exhaling, arch your back upward. This makes the spine flexible and reduces tension in the lower back. Friends, now sit with your knees folded and stretch your hands forward. You have to stay in this pose for 30 seconds. It completely relaxes the waist, shoulders, and back. Friends, if you do these 3 yoga exercises for just 1 minute every day, your back pain will reduce a lot. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, everyone.